Hey, this is Marvin from BotStacks. After watching this video, you will be able to create a travel guide AI assistant on BotStacks. First, create a BotStack, and you will be taken to the Canvas designer with the Start node. Add the routing node and create the intents for our assistant. I will create a by intent. When a user says bye or goodbye, then this intent will be activated. On the routing node, add the by intent and fallback. Now add a text node and connect it with the by intent we just created. Let's create goodbye message to send when the user says bye or goodbye. Add the response AI node and connect it to the text node. Then add the listen node and connect it to the response AI node and routing node. Add the read node and select the chat history variable. Now add the LLM node and connect the read node. Then connect the fallback intent to the LLM node. Select the model as GPT 3.5 Turbo and give the system prompt. I will give this prompt: you are a travel guide. I will write you my location and you will suggest a place to visit near my location. In some cases, I will also give you the type of places I will visit. You will also suggest me places of similar type that are close to my first location. If I say anything unrelated to travel, say, I can't help you with that, sorry, I can only help you with travel. Once we have added the system prompt, we have to mention the read node on the system prompt, so the AI can access the chat history. On user prompt, we have to mention the routing node to listen for input. You can adjust the temperature, max tokens, and top P if you want. Add the response AI node and connect it with the LLM node, and add the listen node and connect it with both the response AI node and routing node. Okay, that's it. Our AI travel assistant is now ready. Let's test our assistant on Sandbox. On the next video, I will show you how to build a relationship advice AI assistant, so if you don't want to miss it, then subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about the BotStacks Canvas Designer, then click the video shown on the screen now.